Hello, beloved listener. This is Prophet Sipamandla Woho, the herald of good news. Join me now for a Rhema word for you today, and your life will never be the same.
He believed that he will become the father of many nations. He was going to become according to what was. Become according to his weight. It's going to become according to that which is spoken. And I'm trying to want you to become according to what is spoken. Amen. When God says you are rich, we have no choice than to become what is spoken. That is why when John understood John chapter 1, 85 as many who believed, to them he gave the power to become the sons of God. To become the learning. So when you are born again, you've got the power to become. So when you see no it has to become, it means you are already. You say you are not already, but you become. If they are happy already, won't you know? Potentially, everything is love, but here to become. It become. So about they become. So when God came to Abraham, God the one Abraham, we saw Abraham, our number brother, so that he never was flesh. But if I will go against hope, Abraham believed according to what was spoken. We need to